The second stage in the design process is called define. And the aim of this phase is to define the area to focus on. The outcome of this phase is for you to clearly understand the challenges from the perspective of your service users. Looking at the diagram, we've now completed a piece of research and discovery. You've spoken to young people, you've engaged with wider stakeholders, and you've learned more widely around the area you're working in. And now it's time to look more closely at the information you've gathered and make sense of it all. And that's what you'll be doing in the define phase. You're going to spend some time analysing the information and drawing out themes and insights. Some useful questions to ask yourself when you're looking back through your information are: what things stand out? What things matter the most to young people? What are the common challenges? And what are your service users' needs? We're always focusing on service user needs. There are a range of methods you can use with this step. A really good approach is to hold a themes and insights workshop with your team and also bring in how might we statements. Both of these methods are in the toolkit. Personas is another very useful tool to use in this phase. You've now spoken to a whole range of young people, and you can use this information to build up a number of different youth personas to represent your different service users. Journey mapping. And one of my favourite methods to use during the define phase is to create user needs statements. More information on that can be found in the toolkit. For the remainder of this presentation, I'm going to be focusing on themes and insights and how might we statements, because these methods are fundamental to the define phase. If you get these right, the rest of your project will flow well. So thinking back to the challenge shared in the previous presentation, many young people are not attending their first online counselling appointments. Despite them signing up and telling us this is something they want and need, many of them are not turning up to their first appointment. Therefore, the outcome we'd like to see at the end of our design challenge is that more young people attend their first appointment. So we've now spoken to a whole range of young people, and these are some of the themes and insights that were coming out of our research. Young people said they felt anxious about attending their first appointment as they didn't know what to expect. They signed up, and then as their appointment got gradually closer, they felt more and more anxious, which resulted in them deciding not to attend. Some said they didn't like to be on camera. Some said they found the joining instructions complicated to follow. And others simply said they forgot about their appointment. Now we need to turn these themes and insights into how might we statements. So young people said they forgot about their appointment becomes, how might we ensure young people remember their appointment time? As you can see, I've just turned the insight into a question. You'll need to do this for all of your themes and insights, and these statements are going to really set the direction of your design challenge. How might we help young people to feel less anxious about attending their first appointment? How might we help young people to know what to expect before their first appointment? How might we ensure young people remember their appointment time? And how might we help young people to feel comfortable to be on camera? So as you can see, I've simply converted all of the themes and insights into how might we questions. When you consider these questions, you'll start to get ideas, and this is what the next phase is about. You'll use these statements as the basis to form ideas and solutions. There'll be more about this in the next presentation.